Everyone, in my series of discussion today once again the topic is regarding stock market, and in this series I am making analysis on stock in specific, like earlier I have already made discussion detailed discussion on stocks like Tech Solutions, Ircon International, G Media, uh, 3i Infotech. The motive of this videos is making selecting such stocks which are uh, at a cheap price and presently available at a very down price. With that motive, today once again I have come with a specific stock named Infibeam Avenues Limited. So coming to the stock specific, the stock comes under IT sector. The price to earning ratio is 189.33, whereas sectoral P is 31.54. This Infibeam Avenue Limited, the company is engaged in providing online retail service. It offers e-commerce marketplace and also provides cloud-based, modular, customizable, and scalable technology platform, e-commerce infrastructure, and logistics support for a diverse universe of merchants, products, and services. The company was incorporated in 2010, and the company is based in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Let us have a quick recap on its key figures, like the current market price, that is just today, 20th May 2021, it is 40.10. The volume in the stock is 24 lakh 13,806. If we see 20 days average volume, it is 18 lakh 36,513, and 20 days delivery is 936 132. So definitely the delivery percentage is approximately 50%. It is a good sign. Let us see the 52-week high low. High is 56.85 and low is 23. The market cap is 5,337 crore. Book value of the share is 21.21. Price to book value is 1.90. Dividend yield is 0.25 and P/C ratio is 33.42. Let us see the advanced chart of the company. The chart is on day basis, and if we see from the month of October November 2020, the price was approximately in October it was around 40 45 around, and it was in consolidation till December. It was in range of 46 to 40 rupees. After that, in the starting of this December month, it made a little growth and it comes around 48. After again it comes down till January 21, and the price in January 21 again fall, and it was around 38, and in January month the price made a low of 38, and again in the month of March month it little made a growth of 46, and further in the month of April it made a very good growth and rose up to 56, which is the 52 highest price. Again it come down, and in the month of April it was again around 42, and again made a came down, and in the month of April end it was nearly 38. In the month of May it made a little rose upward and make around 45 rupees, and from in the month, and again it was has a downward trend, and it is around 40 rupees. So this is the advanced chart. We are looking at prices, however, moved a little higher in the month of March, but still price is in a downward trend. So that's why this stock has been we can say that it is in downward trend, and it is a time where we can think upon if further price came down, we can go for selecting this stock in our portfolio. Now let us see the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threat. We will discuss one by one. First of all, let us see strength. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter to quarter. Another strength is company with low debt, and next is increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Next strength is a company with decreasing promoters pledge. Now see some weaknesses in the company. The weaknesses is, of course, so many factors in weaknesses. Let us see one by one. Negative breakdown. First support LTP is less than S1, support 1. Then inefficient use of capital to generate profits. Return on capital employed is declining in the last 2 years. Next weaknesses is red flag, downgrade by credit rating agency. Next weaknesses is degrowth in revenue and profit. Further weaknesses is decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year to year, and then promoters increasing their shareholding. And further weaknesses are declining net cash flow. Company is not able to generate net cash. Further weaknesses are major fall in TTM net profit, recent results declining operating profit margin and net profits year to year. And next weaknesses is weak momentum, price below short, medium and long term averages. So it is a very weak point that price is below this all short, medium and long term averages. So it is a matter of concern. Let us see opportunities. Rising delivery percentage compared to previous day and month, strong volumes. So that I have discussed that delivery percentage is very high, that is approximately 50%. So it shows that investors are interested in taking delivery of the share. Now see what is the threat, and there are some threats also. Upcoming results for Nifty 500 with declining share price over the week, and company with negative growth and promoters decreasing shareholding quarter to quarter. Stock with high P is greater than 40. Of course, P is a very high of this stock. Now let us see MC insights. What are those insights? Stocks not eligible for rating. So no rating has been given. Price, that mid-range momentum, stock is mid-range compared to short, medium and long-term moving averages. Price is 76.3% away from 52-week low. It is a very far distance to come out of this 52-week high, and price is only 28.67% away from 52-week high. So I have already said the 52-week high is 56 and present price is 40. Next insight is underperformer. Infibeam Avenue is down by minus 1.6%, whereas Nifty 50 is up by 4.26% in last 1 month. So it is not as per the, at least Nifty, it is below Nifty 50 performance. And now see this some financial, that is Petrosky score is 4th, which indicates weak financials. Now let us see 3 years CAGR growth. Revenue is growth is 13.0, net profit 34.8, operating profit 32.0. Let us see some industry comparison. TTMP ratio is high in industry, market cap is above industry median, price to book ratio is above industry median, and TTM PEG ratio is negative. PEG TTM P is to growth. Let us see shareholding pattern. Promoters unpledged 5.76% of shares in last quarter. Total pledge stands at 1.77% of promoters holding. Promoters have decreased holdings from 32.29% to 31.9% in March 2021 quarter. FI, FPI have decreased holdings from 8.47% to 6.07% in March 2021 quarter. Number of FI and FPI investors decreased from 68 to 77 in March 2021 quarter, and institutional investors have decreased holding from 8.47 to 6.07% in March 2021 quarter. Let us see the peers company, what is their figure saying. First of all, Infibeam Avenue, the price of the stock is 40.10, percentage change in price is 2.55, market cap is 5,337.52 crore, and TTMP is 78.63, price to book value 11.01, and then price to book value is 1.89, return on equity 3.79, 1 year performance 60.53, net profit 57, net sales 648, and debt to equity 0.01. Next company is Aditya Vision. The price of the stock is 341.05, percentage change in the price is 1.99, market cap is 410.23 crore, price to book value 11.01, return on equity 35.64, net profit 14 crore, net sales 796 crore, and debt to equity 0.85. And then Proaxis Home RET, that is the price of the stock is 36.95, percentage change in the price is 0.94, market cap is 112.27 crore, then return on equity 0, then 1 year performance 90.96, net profit -80, net sales 702, and debt to equity -15.24. Then Bhatia Communication, the price of the stock is 68.25, percentage change no 0.0, that is no change in the price, market cap 85.42, TTMP 23.70, price to book value 2.21, return on equity 13.95, 1 year performance -11.36, net profit 5, net sales 168, and debt to equity 0.28. Then one more company, that is Arkeej. The price of the stock is 11.90, percentage change in the price is 2.06, market cap is 40.20, TTMP is 29.75, price to book value 0.41, return on equity -7.39, 1 year performance 13.88, net profit -7, net sales 139, and debt to equity 0.29. So this I have make a detailed analysis of this stock, Infibeam Avenue Limited. Of course, the analysis which I have made on different parameters doesn't show that stock is of a good mark, but keeping in view of the delivery and volume, it is definitely some investors are interested, and the only the strength that profit margin of the company has increased, and the debt of the company is low, and for the last 2 quarters the revenue is increasing, and promoters pledge is on decreasing side. These are the only key factors. Otherwise, a lot of the negative points factors in this stock. Despite of that, we are seeing that despite of so many these negative factors, price is reluctant, or in the last 6 months around 30, 40. Hardly it has come around 38. So it is not going downward also. So that's why I have chosen this stock. That is, it is almost in the last 6 months price is around 38, and it is not going down of that level. So with that, I am have made the complete analysis of this stock. I hope the analysis which I have made must be useful for you. However, it's my sincere advice that while making any investment in this stock, complete analysis from your side be also made, keeping in view of the key factors. With all these, I am making end of today's discussion. I uh, I am making end